What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gianni. This is my Jeep SRT. Today we are getting the lowering springs installed on the Jeep. Unfortunately, you know, I am no mechanic, so I can't do it myself. But I'm going to a shop here in Queens called TNA Motorsports. They're going to be doing the springs for me. Let me show you the ones I got. So I ended up buying these Eibach Pro Kit springs. Supposedly the back will drop anywhere to like about 1.7 inches, and I believe the front's about 0.7. So I'll be getting those done today, because if you look at the wheel gap, it needs to be dropped. It absolutely, especially the back. Look at the back, man. Up so high, it's crazy. The front's not too bad, but a little drop would be nice on the front, and that's what we'll be doing. So let me take some measurements, that way I can compare, you know, now to when I get the springs installed, and we'll see how far it drops. All right, so I got my tape measure. We're gonna measure where the floor hits the fender. So let's go. What do we got? That's about 32 and 1/8.
Sure.
Actually, it's about 32 even. It's about 32 even.
Okay.
All right, so the fronts, let me keep these tracked. So the front is 32 inches from the ground. This is inches, right?
Oh God. That's so
Yeah. All right, now let's do the back.
It's not the same, you don't think?
No. And the back is 33 and 1/8.
Okay. Inches, question mark.
33 inches and 1/8. That's what we got. So the front's 32 inches from the ground. The back is 33 and 1/8 from the ground. So when we get the springs installed, hopefully it'll be sitting nice. Plus, I want to, once I get the 22-inch wheels, it'll definitely fill up the gap more. But right now we're just on the stock OEM 20-inch wheels. So we'll see what it looks like once I get the springs installed. So let's head to the place. Let's go. All right, so we just got here to TNA Motorsports. That's where I'll be dropping off the car to get the springs. So I'm gonna drop it off now, and then I'll show you guys when I pick up the car. All right, guys, it's Tuesday night. I got the springs installed Saturday. There you see Brooke right there. I got the springs installed Saturday. It was a 3.5-hour install. I wasn't able to, you know, stay there and record the whole process, unfortunately. And since I'm no mechanic, I couldn't install it myself for you guys. But here's the SRT. It looks nice. Look at the way it's dropped. Look at that. The back looks so much better. And let's look at the front. It's looking good. Once I get the bigger wheels, I'll definitely fill it out more. It'll look, you know, mean. But all right, let's get the tape measure and let's see what we got. All right, so before, the front was 32 inches even, the back was 33 and 1/8, which comes out to 33.125 decimals. Yeah. So let's see what the front's at right now.
Looks so much better.
So let's get it right there. So it's at 31 and 5/8.
Okay.
31 and 5/8. Write this down. Is at 31 and 7/8.
31 7/8.
31 7/8.
Okay.
So I think we got a nice little drop in the back. After the springs are installed, we dropped 0.375 in the front, and the back dropped 1.25 inches.
Okay.
So it's a nice little drop. It's not, you know, anything crazy. I also live in New York though, so the roads over here, you know, they're a little bananas.
Pothole
You know what I mean?
city.
Potholes, construction all the time. So honestly, I feel like for me, it's perfect. And then once we slap the bigger wheels on there, it's gonna be just right.
Sound like me.
So I just wanted to give my first impressions of what I think of the Spring so far. I mean, as you can see, it's looking good. It's dropped, so it looks good. I've noticed that the handling feels better, especially on turns now. Like the center of gravity is lower, so it feels so much better. I mean, honestly, I do recommend it to anyone who wants to get it. It's definitely a good mod to get, and it's definitely worth it for sure. I will bring the car to go get an alignment probably next weekend, and then I'll just give you guys a follow-up of how the springs feel so far. I mean, right now this is just first impressions. I'm only 3 days on it, so once I have another week, or maybe I'll get the lemon 2 weeks, something like that. I'll have more of a feeling for it, and maybe it would even drop a little more. Who knows? But I'll keep you guys in the loop. And I just want to say thank you. We finally hit 50 subs. Channel's still a baby channel. You know, we're still growing, but I appreciate every single one of you that you know, follows along, that subscribed and watches our videos. It really does mean a lot to me. And I got a lot more stuff coming. We're gonna beef this car up. It's gonna be good. All right, so stay tuned, hit that thumbs up button, please subscribe if you're new to the channel, and see you next video. Peace.